Now we will see second rule given in the lesson. If a consonant from ta varga, all of you know what is ta varga, ta, tha, da, dha, na. If a consonant from ta varga is followed by a consonant from cha varga, all of you know cha varga, cha, cha, ja, jha, ya. So the rule is if a consonant from ta varga is followed by a consonant of cha varga, then preceding consonant is replaced by the consonant of cha varga in the same order. For example, tasmat plus cha. Here at the end of tasmat we have halanta ta and it is followed by cha. So this ta will be replaced by halanta cha and the answer will be tasmat cha. Next example is vidvat plus janaha. Here at the end of vidvat we have halanta ta and it is followed by janaha. So this ta will be replaced by ja because ja is a third consonant of cha varga. Now the answer will be vidvat janaha. Next example is avkarat plus cha. Here also at the end of avkarat we have halanta ta and it is followed by cha. So this ta will be substituted by cha and answer will be avkarat cha. Next example is etat plus jayah. Here ta is followed by ja. So halanta ta will be substituted by ja and the answer will be etat jayah. Now we will see third rule. If ta is followed by sh, then ta becomes cha and sh becomes cha. For example, mat plus sharah. So at the end of mat we have halanta ta and after halanta ta we have sh. Now this ta will be replaced by cha and sh will be replaced by cha and the answer will be macharaha. Now next example is Shrimat plus Shankaraha. Here at the end of Shrimat we have halantata that will be replaced by cha and it is followed by Shankaraha. So this sh will be replaced by cha. Now the answer will be Shrimat Shankaraha. Next example is tat plus shrotum. Here also at the end of tat we have ta halanta and it is followed by shrotum. So this ta halanta will be substituted by cha halanta and sh will be replaced by halanta cha and the answer will be tat shrotum. Next example is gachet plus shivaha. At the end of gachet we have halanta ta. This ta will be replaced by halanta cha and in the beginning of shivaha we have sh. This sh will be replaced by cha and the answer will be gachet shivaha.